Hi students, today I'm here again to teach you something exciting. Uh, I think you all like gardening. Even I like it very much. So today I will teach you teacup gardening. Oh, you must have got surprised. What is this teacup gardening? So it is miniature gardening, means create a scene, garden scene in a teacup. So why teacup gardening? It is a stress buster and it is very ideal, where there is space constraint, and it keeps you engaged. And in this, no, there are no rules and regulations. You have to do like this or like that. So it's all your creativity. However you feel like, you can do it. And there are numerous designs and all. So for this, you need, a few things, that are a big size teacup, or else you can go for any large bowl, and soil or pot mix. And it depends, the quantity depends on the size which you take. And tiny plants like succulents and easily propagated plants you have to. And you need to keep a few things, a small toy kind of things, and small miniature toys in that. So that you can make, or else you can whatever you have at home, you can use those things. So this is the cup, large cup I have taken, and the pot mix and the soil both are there with me. Now I am going to fill the cup with the first soil, and then later I'll put the pot mix, because that is very soft. So you have to fill those things. And you see, in front you can see a small fence which is made with ice cream sticks, and with clay I made mushrooms, and a small garden bench. So like this, if you have the ready-made things with you, you can directly put it, or else you can easily do it. So now I have filled the pot mix in that, and then slightly poke with the ice cream stick into that, so wherever there are gaps, it will be filled. Later, you are going to dig it with the ice cream stick only. And you need, as I told you, you have to take only miniature plants, small size plants only, and which are easily propagated. I have taken the succulents also. And then do not place too many things in that, it becomes clumsy, because the cup is a very small one uh, compared to your the real garden. So a few things which you like, and in this you have to see the color, everything, so that it adds beauty to your i mean the project which you are doing. So now I have placed the ice cream sticks fence also. And now I am adding little color to it by adding the floral plants, that is red and green, looking so beautiful. And as I finish this one, no, I'll start with the pebbles. The area which is not covered with the plants, I'll be, covering them with small marble chips. So the entire area. And these chips, they add beauty to the project, as well as when you sprinkle water, the mud, it will not come out. Then later I have added a small garden bench to into it. Then I made with air dry clay, I made two mushrooms, and then one snail. So I am placing those two things. One thing you have to keep it in your mind, children. When you turn the cup all around, all the sides. You have to fill them properly. Otherwise, leaving the back portion and doing only in the front, it doesn't look nice when you turn the cup. So that is why, once you check that also, so wherever again there are gaps, I'm filling the marble chips. almost, I mean, the work is done. So in this, I mean, you people, if you have small, tiny tables, chairs, plastic ones, I mean, the toy things which you have at home, so you can add those things also. So once you recheck, I mean, whether it's looking good or not, and then you, if any changes are needed, you can make it. So now you see all around when you turn the cup, no, you can see. I mean, I did not leave any place empty. Only where there is a garden bench, I mean, I have left little space because people will come and sit. Okay, so children, one thing you keep it in your mind. I mean, always buying the things and gifting it on occasions like birthdays and other things. It's better. I mean, you people can make such things, and if you present it to your friends or anyone, I mean, they feel very happy. Here a few things which I made. I have put in the video.